Okay guys, welcome again. This is another quick maintenance tip for the Kangen K8, a Magic's Kangen machine, which is top of the wazoo, well I reckon anyway. It's a really good machine. If you want to come over here, a part of the cleaning that we do each year, each fortnight, is your normal clean with our e-clean. Well, this one is what we should do every morning when we get out of bed. If you come and have a look here, I've got it set on the 9.5. Everyone should know this, or if you don't, 9.5 is your pH level. So I want to set it on to beauty water, okay? So with the beauty water, what happens there is when I turn this on, it runs over the plates in a different way to what the 9.5 does, and the calcium heats up and builds onto the plates. So we want to just clean that off every morning. It helps maintain the machines. So just put it on beauty water. Just a quick press of the button. It's coming on. Myself personally, I just like to do this for about 30 seconds to a minute each day before I go there. So what I also do when I'm coming here, I just get my hands in it. Put a bit on my face, saves water wasting it. I just chuck a bit on my hair as well. So with that you can capture it as well into spray containers for during the day. So you try not to waste the water, so that's the beauty setup, and it reverses the way the 9.5 works. So with that, it helps to clean the plates and maintain the plates, gets the calcium off there and the magnesium. Alright guys, that's a quick tip again for maintaining your K8 machine. So we'll see you at the next one.